Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and an unboxing on this Anker 7-in-1 charger. This is model number A91C8. So it's got retractable USB-C cables in the side. They're really nice. Here I've got them extended, but they fold right back up. These are 70 millimeters or about 27 inches long. And you can retract them. You know, they don't have to come all the way out. And just pull a little bit and it retracts. Has a power cord on the back. It is 5 feet long. I like that it's got a 90-degree angle and it's offset. You can plug 3 things here in the back. It's got some surge protection. We have a USB-A port, another USB-C port, and a really nice display. Here's what the display looks like. Let's go ahead and charge. I'm going to charge up this power bank right here. So now we can watch the display. It's going to ramp up power. We can press the button here. It's going to go, you can see the wattage out of each port. This one is C3, and this one is C1, this one is C2, and this one is A. Press again, it's going to give you kind of a temperature reading. Press it again, back to, that's the total power output from this unit with all the different connections. Now watch the display when we plug something into the other one. You'll see a double sign. And then again, I can switch. C1 is 0.2 watts. C3 is, ramping up to 50, 62 watts. Temperature is looking good. Now, if I long press this button, it turns the display off. And then long press that again, turns it back on. Here's what the bottom looks like. Let's go over the voltages. All right, so you could plug this into 125 volts, 60 hertz, 10 amps is what it's going to use. AC output's 1,000 watts total. So the first ports, you've got 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 15 volts, 3 amps, 20 volts, 5 amps. That's your 100 watts max. USB-A port, 5 volts, 2.4 amps, 12 watts only. And then there's ports through, and then the wattages do go down whenever you plug more than one thing in. I really like having this plugged in. I guess the display goes off after a while. I thought it stayed on all the time. But I just like having the USB-C cables. When I'm done, they're just going to go and store, and this is all I have. So let's go over dimensions. You know, about 12 millimeters or 4 3/4 inches wide. 2 inches, maybe a 2 1/8 inches tall, 50, or I'm sorry. Yeah. And then do front to back, yeah, about 2 7/8. About 7 millimeters. Just overall, just a really nice design. I can charge my phone, my laptop. I'm very excited to start using it. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.